What if I told you that the world's most talked about electric vehicle company might not be Tesla? While many Americans are familiar with Tesla's rise, another giant has been quietly building an automotive empire on the other side of the world. BYD, short for Build Your Dreams, started as a battery manufacturer and transformed into one of the largest EV makers on the planet. Today, millions of BYD vehicles are driving across the globe, but the real story begins inside a factory so massive that it feels less like a manufacturing plant and more like an entire city built to create the future. So friends, before watching the full video, subscribe to our Mandarin Tube channel and stay with us. As the camera rises above the complex, the true scale becomes almost impossible to comprehend. Endless buildings stretch toward the horizon, connected by roads, logistics centers, testing grounds, and worker housing. This is not just a factory, it's an industrial city. Every day, enormous quantities of raw materials enter the facility, while thousands of finished vehicles leave for markets around the world. The sheer size of this operation reveals China's determination to dominate the future of electric transportation. Most automakers rely on outside suppliers for batteries. BYD does things differently. Deep inside the factory, advanced production lines transform raw materials into high-performance battery cells. The company's blade battery technology has gained worldwide attention for its safety and durability. By producing batteries in-house, BYD controls quality, reduces costs, and accelerates innovation. Walking through this factory feels like entering the future. Thousands of robotic arms move in perfect synchronization, welding, lifting, assembling, and inspecting components with incredible precision. Sparks fly as machines perform tasks around the clock. The level of automation here is so advanced that many production areas operate almost like self-running systems. Every vehicle begins as a collection of individual parts. As the frame moves along the assembly line, batteries, motors, electronics, and interior components are installed with remarkable speed. Thousands of manufacturing steps are coordinated into one seamless process, transforming raw materials into a finished electric vehicle. Building millions of vehicles means nothing without quality. Advanced cameras, laser scanners, and automated inspection systems carefully examine every vehicle. Batteries undergo rigorous safety tests, while completed cars face performance evaluations before leaving the factory. One of BYD's most surprising innovations comes from its premium SUV technology. Certain models have demonstrated the ability to float and move through water during emergencies. While they are not designed to function as boats, the technology provides valuable protection during floods and showcases the company's engineering ambitions. For years, Tesla dominated the EV conversation. Today, BYD is emerging as one of its strongest competitors. Tesla leads in software and brand recognition, while BYD excels in manufacturing scale and vertical integration. This is no longer just a competition between two companies. It's a battle for the future of transportation. BYD's success reflects a larger transformation taking place across China. Massive investments in batteries, charging networks, and manufacturing infrastructure have helped create one of the world's most powerful EV ecosystems. China is rapidly becoming a dominant force in the global electric vehicle industry. The story is far from over. BYD continues expanding its factories, developing next-generation batteries, and entering new markets around the world. As competition intensifies and demand for electric vehicles grows, the company is positioning itself to become one of the most influential automotive manufacturers of the 21st century.